this atmosphere. It's like the wind is whispering history and the mountains are holding their breath. We have entered the movement where a legend didn't just take birth, a revolution opened his eyes.
1630, Shivneri Fort, standing tall like destiny's own cradle. Inside its stone walls, Jijao prayed with courage, Bhavani Mata blessed with power, and a child arrived, who would turn into the heartbeat of Maharashtra.
Jijao didn't just raise him like a prince, she raised him like a protector. While other kids were playing with toys, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj played with tiny wooden talwars, mini fort made of muds, and imaginary armies. बचपन ही पूरा warrior blueprint था.
When he ran across the hills, even the mountains seemed to bow. When he practiced with his little swords, winds changed their direction. Everyone felt this child is born with a purpose.
Purpose? Not just purpose. Prophecy. The prophecy of Swarajya.
And on this fort began the journey of a boy who would become a king. The king who became a symbol, and the symbol that became Maharashtra's soul.
Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji!
A moment of pride now unfolds as we witness the glorious beginning, the birth of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Join us in celebrating the rise of a hero who shaped Swarajya.
आणि अनुकूल आहेत. हा मुलगा सगळ्यांना पाणी पाजेल. चक्रवर्ती राजाची कुंडली आहे ही.
गोविंद घ्या, श्रीरंग घ्या. या राजा, या. बाई, घ्या. श्रीराम घ्या, श्रीकृष्ण घ्या, कान्होबा घ्या, मल्हारी घ्या. आता ठेवा की. काय आठवलं? सांगू? सांगा की. शिवाजी. सुलभा आळणा आळणा आळ शिवाजीचा. सुलभा आळणा आळणा आळ शिवाजीचा. चंद्र कसा आईला शोभतो पुत्र दिसाऊचा. चंद्र कसा आईला शोभतो पुत्र दिसाऊचा. सुलभा आळणा आळणा आळ शिवाजीचा. सुलभा आळणा आळणा आळ शिवाजीचा.
काहीतरी होणार आहे. कॅन यू फील इट? द एअर इज डिफरंट.
जैसे पूरे रायगढ़ ने सांस रोक ली हो. Someone is about to rise.
एक क्षण जो महाराष्ट्राला बदलून टाकणार आहे.
Did you hear that? Shankanad. But Kiska? Why now?
I think the king is about to be crowned. Not just any king, but the king Maharashtra is waiting centuries for.
सिंहासन तैयार आहे. The crown is waiting, but time is waiting for him.
Swarajya! Swarajya! Swarajya!
Ladies and gentlemen, we now present Rajyabhishek, a powerful dance depicting the historic coronation of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Maratha Empire, symbolizing courage, justice and Swarajya.
जाऊ नको रे फाडून पडल्यानं जाते मराठे अस्त्र वज्र ज्यांचे वार गाव दन त्यांचे ढाल एकीची खण 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 पण स्वराज्य दण 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 शिवरायांची अन मराठे जिजामधले जमान मराठे जाती शत्रू सारा मराठे अरे मराठे अरे मराठे आदिनांत अशा शिवाचे मोडी तोऱ्याची मुंडकी मोजून पाचाई सोडते असे मराठे अरे मराठे अरे मराठे आदिनांत अशा शिवाचे मोडी तोऱ्याची मुंडकी मोजून पाचाई सोडते असे मराठे